That's going to do it for the Bolts Central pregame show. We'll see you at halftime. So long, everybody.
Driving in Southern California can be, well, slow.
KCAL traffic keeps you moving.
With the where, when, and which way to go.
Be prepared for now and what's next. Next traffic on KCAL News. This is a CBS Los Angeles sports presentation.
Hold up. Game time is coming.
Looking downfield, sideline second. It's caught by Allen.
It's game time. Hold up.
Through a lot of space. Screen for the pylon.
Hold up. Game time is coming.
And he one-handed in the end zone to Mike Williams. Yes.
Chargers preseason football. Lit.
Herbert.
It's that time of year where everybody around the NFL has reasons to be excited, but maybe nobody more than the Los Angeles Chargers. Year 3 under Brandon Staley. The energy is palpable, the star power apparent, and the continuity is most certainly set in stone. All the pieces in place as the Chargers embark on their journey. Preseason game number 1 against the cross-time rival Rams here at SoFi Stadium. We welcome you high above SoFi. Noah Eagle, Hall of Famer Dan Fouts. We've got LaDainian Tomlinson and Haley Elwood downstairs will join us as well. Glad to have you along for the ride. Brandon Staley knows he's got his franchise quarterback, and that's the main storyline always with this team. Justin Herbert signed this offseason to a big contract extension until 2029. It seems like he gets better and better, but what have you seen now in year 4 of the Herbert experience?
Well, I see big bucks, okay? But with big bucks come big expectations. With huge bucks, I think he'll be